Hello YouTube viewers and subscribers. Today I'm going to talk about some more tools that we all use in our hobby. You always, when you do something on your RC vehicle, or maybe you are soldering something, you always need one hand more than you have. Those two hands are never enough. So I have ordered soldering station from Banggood to help me solder parts and when I'm assembling or disassembling. So this is unboxing, well protected. This is the base plate, which is quite heavy, and the soldering sponge is here already. Some spare sponge, oh, I like that. Some stickers and 5 arms, and that's it. That's all what's in the box. So you have let's open this. You have 5 arms to help you, to help your 2 arms when you're doing something. Now let's open this bag with the soldering station base plate. You see, it's a good solid piece of aluminium. I think it's aluminium. It's maybe steel. It's quite heavy, which is good, of course. And those arms have clamps on it, protected with some silicone caps. And what you do, you just screw them in provided holes, and that's it. You can bend them as much as you want. Okay, I screwed in all arms and mounted my mini quad, and I still have one arm free for use. I mean, this is, as I mentioned, this is very heavy, that plate, so you can put heavier things in it. And it's a soldering station with a sponge, so you can use your soldering iron to clean it. And of course, it's so easy when you do with those helping hands, especially if you are trying to solder something delicate or tiny, or just if you want to solder 2 wires. It's a excellent and helpful thing. Also, this is highly recommended. This soldering iron, I made a video of this upgraded TS100. You can find it on my channel, and I will put the link in the video description for this 5-hand stand and for this soldering iron. This is a must-have. It's portable, and this is really must-have item in your workshop if you are doing anything with remote control vehicles or toys. Okay, thanks for watching. This thing will help me very much, because in our hobby, as you know, there is always a lot of soldering, always a lot of fixing, screwing some things, and you just need additional hand, and this thing has 5 of them, so I highly recommend it. It's really stable. As you can see, I intended to put this mini drone in the center. Then I thought, why wouldn't I put it a little bit on the side, just to show you that this can handle heavier stuff without any problems. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.